Hello guys, hello. Welcome back to our new another interesting video. This video about Shopify dropshipping. Okay, so let's do it. You can search in this Google like Shopify dropshipping. Okay, you can search it and enter the section, and you can redirect this URL. You can see this. These are Shopify original site. Start dropshipping business. Find supplements comments. Okay, you can simply click this URL and you go through Shopify dropshipping. Okay, yes. Here are this site. Okay, you can earn money by dropshipping. Okay, step one: your customer places an order from your online store. Step two: your store automatically sends the order to a dropshipping supplier. Step 3: your dropshipping supplier prepare your customer's order. Step 4: your dropshipping supplier ships the order directly to your customer. Okay, okay, you understand now how dropshipping work. Okay, you can search here the trading products. You can find trading products. What products are trending niches? Okay, you find best trending products, so your sales up to 10x, 2x, 3x, yeah, whatever. So Shopify is 100% the best platform. We have loved our experience with Shopify and will never leave. Okay, so what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is an order fulfillment method where a business does not keep the product. Okay, you understand? Dropshipping is an order fulfillment method where a business does not keep the product it sells in stock. Instead, the seller purchases inventory as needed from a third party. Okay, so very carefully you can take this note. Further, merchants don't need to make inventory investments upfront, so this keeps more capital at the ready for other purchases. Oh, sorry, and the second line is how profitable is dropshipping. Okay, dropshipping has the potential to be profitable. For starters, online shopping continues on an upward trajectory. Fervent merchants don't need to make inventory investments upfront. Further, merchants don't need to make inventory investment upfront. So this keeps more capital at the ready for other purposes. So third line is how do I started offshoring businesses. So here's how I started offshoring business. Choose a dropshipping business idea number one, and number two, you can also do competitive research. Number three is choose a dropshipping supplier. Number three, absolutely build your e-commerce store. And number five is decide on a business structure. So get your finance in order. Number seven, market your dropshipping store. Number eight is analyze and improve your offer. Okay, if you don't improve your offer, so you don't go further. So what products are the best for dropshipping? The best products of dropshipping have high demand and low market competitions. For example, you can some dropshippers choose to sell trendy products like colored LED lights. Dropshippers might also choose more industrial products, like trendy products like heat lamps or car parts. Finding a great dropshipping niche usually includes market research and some experiments. So start dropshipping with Shopify today. You can start here easily, but so you can also remind you can go chatgpt.com and firstly you can go through some keyword research. What niches is the best for dropshipping? You can search here easily. What niches is the best for dropshippers? And here you can results see this. This is the dropshipping results. So this is the second part of the video. Watch you number third part. So here you can see this the ChatGPT replies me. If your main hot niches are good for dropshippers, then here's the breakdown. When choosing a niche for dropshipping, you want three things. Number one is high demand. People actively search and buy. Number two is low to moderate competitive. So you are not crushed by big brands. Okay. Number three is good profit margin, ideally 20 to 50% or more. Here are niches categories that often work well. Okay, evergreen niches always in demand. Pet products, toys, grooming tools, accessories, baby products, safety gear, feeding tools, development toys, beauty and skincare tools, facial rollers, LED max, nail kits, home orientations, storage bins, kitchen gadgets, clothes, organization, and training niches, short to medium terms. Smart gadgets, mini projectors, phone accessories, wireless charger, fitness gear, resistance brand, home gym equipment, sustainable eco-friendly items, bamboo cutlery, resin bags, dry and crafts, resin models, heat press machines, seasonal niches, good for push Q3 or specific months. Holiday decor, Christmas lights, Halloween props, outdoor products, summer implements, camping gear, winter gear, heated gloves, blankets, snow tools. Problem solving niches. People buy to fix something fast. Posture correctors, kitchen problem solvers, gel openers, vegetable choppers, car accessories, phone mounts, organizer, cleaning gadgets, mini vacuum, stream cleaners, and last the pro tip for dropshippers. Avoid the generic products that everyone is selling. Okay, and target specific micro niches. Camping gadgets for solo travelers, instead of just camping gears. Always check with Google Trends plus TikTok plus Amazon best sellers to confirm demand before adding products. Okay, these are the simples. Okay, this is the first part of dropshipping, and you can also watch the second part of this my channel. Subscribe this.